dear student, till now you have studied about the rules that should be followed by concave mirror while formation of images when we keep object at different positions. So now in this class we will study about the ray diagrams when the object is kept at different positions. What are the ray diagram we need to write in the examination? We will study, dear student. So case number one. What is the case number one means? When we keep an object at infinity. Infinity means far away. When we keep an object at infinity, so ray emerged from here, reflected from here, will touch here, incident at here at this point. After reflection, it has to pass through principal focus. That here we will use the rule number one. What it says? A ray parallel to principal axis after reflection passes through principal focus. So here also, this ray parallel to principal axis after reflections passes through principal focus. So here we can get images. So this image is very small. So that is highly diminished. And nature is, so it is real because we are getting the image, it is real and it is inverted. Dear student, when we keep object at infinity, so nature of images is real and inverted and highly diminished, point size very small. So this is what case number one. So we will go for case number two. When we keep object at, let us go for second case, dear student. When the object is kept behind C, you can take an object AB. When we keep this object behind C, so a ray which is parallel to principal axis, after reflection it has to pass through principal focus, and one more ray passes through center of curvature. After reflection we will come back on the same path where both the rays will intersect. So this ray will intersect here and this ray will intersect here. So here we can get our image. So the image is B dash and A dash, and image nature is, it is real and inverted, and size will be, it is diminished. Small is it, not so like that when in the first case. So this is what a ray diagram about when the object is kept behind the C. So dear student, when the object is at F, at C, in the object we have, if we keep at C, so here in the object let AB we have kept at C, so a ray here which is parallel to principal axis after reflection will pass through principal focus. Again from here one ray will pass through principal focus. Again we can use rule number 3. A ray passes through principal focus after reflection becomes parallel to principal axis. So where both the reflected ray will meet here, will intersect here, or will converge here. So here you can get a image. Let the image will be B dash, A dash. So this is image position at C. So nature of image is real and inverted and of same size. So this is what case number 3. After case number 3 we can go for case number 4. So dear student, when the object is kept between C and F, when the object is kept between C and F, so a ray pass parallel to principal axis will pass through principal focus. We are using here rule number 1, and here a ray is passing through principal focus will become after reflection will become parallel to principal axis. So here both the reflected ray will meet here. So here they are converging. So here we can get image. So you draw one perpendicular, we can get image. That image will be B dash, A dash. So this nature is real and inverted, and it is enlarged. The size is enlarged. So we can get image behind C. So image is behind C when the object is kept between C and F. So this you note down, student. Dear student, come to case number 5. When the object is kept at F, when the object is kept at F, a ray that is parallel to principal axis will pass, after reflection will pass through principal focus. Again, a ray passes through center of curvature, will come back on the same path. So these two rays are parallel. They meet at far away, or they may not meet. So image at infinity. So nature of the image is, So real and inverted and highly enlarged. So very large image we can get. So this is what case number 5, when the object is at f. So image is at infinity. So case number 6, that is last case, when the object is kept between f and p. Let us take one object AB. So here a ray parallel to principal axis will pass through principal focus. We are using rule number 1. And here a ray which is passing through center of curvature will pass in the same, after reflection also it will go in the same path. So here both the rays are divergent, so they never intersect, so we can't get real image. So here, so they will go back and you have to see. So here they may intersect. So here we can get virtual and erect image. The image will be enlarged. So this is image and it is enlarged. I hope, dear student, all the 6 case very important from the examination point of view. So note down, try to understand the rules for the formation of images in concave mirror and ray diagram, and the nature of images, size of images, position of an object and position of image. All this will be included in these ray diagrams. So try to understand. I hope it will help you in the examination. So try to subscribe this channel. Understand, dear student, and subscribe this channel and share it wherever possible. Dear student, these points you keep to understand the whole concept of image found by concave mirror at different positions. So you can get image positions, image size, and the nature of image. If you keep this much in mind, it will help to understand multiple choice questions and answer. We have seen in the ray diagram, when the object is kept at infinity, we can get image at f. The nature of image is highly diminished and point-sized and real and inverted. When the object is behind C, we can get image. We can get image at between C and F. It is diminished. So nature is real and inverted. When the object is at C, we can get image at C only, same size and real and inverted. So behind C and F, we can get image at behind C. Between C and F, we can get image at between behind C. It is enlarged, real and inverted. When the object is at F, we can get an image at infinity. So it is highly enlarged, so real and inverted. And the last case is when the object is placed between F and P, we can get image behind a mirror, that is highly enlarged or magnified or focused. So nature is virtual and erect. So try to understand, dear student.